Okay, so we're working on the near side rear quarter of the Ket. We've already put the front piece along there. This is the panel which we've made. It's got the return folded over. We've just been seaming up along the bottom here, more or less completed the welding. This piece is going to fit on there like that. It just sits in place. So we're going to clamp this up and hopefully that should all fit nicely. I've got the second side panel, I've done this top radius and the step. I've just got to do the arch. So we're going to weld this one in now. We're nearly there.